What is the result of running this Python code that involves bool function and logical operator and also if-else? Okay, so we need to find the correct answer among the multiple choices that are presented here. What is happening? So we define artificial as false string, and we define intelligence as true string. These are not Boolean values, these are just the strings. In the if part, we are checking whether the bool of artificial is logically equivalent to bool of intelligence. If that is the case, then print intelligence is artificial, and we need to substitute for these intelligence and artificial. Else print bool of artificial is bool of intelligence. Okay, so the important thing to notice here is, one, these are strings, again, non-logical value, and then bool of a string is only giving you false if the string is empty. In this case, we are dealing with strings that are not empty. These are obviously strings that are other than empty. Therefore, as a result, the bool of artificial becomes bool of false, which will give you true. So bool of false is going to give you true because it's not an empty string. And bool of intelligence, the same thing. Bool of true will give you true because it is not an empty string. So therefore, the point is, well, the checkpoint actually passes. It becomes true is logically equivalent to true, which is correct. So we pass the checkpoint if, therefore we have to execute this print function, which would do print intelligence is artificial. Now we have to substitute for intelligence, which is true, so it becomes print true is, and substitute for artificial, which is false. So true is false. So the correct answer is the second one, and we have to select this second one as the correct answer. I hope that this is helpful in terms of highlighting how bool is operating on strings, and then just being careful about what are we printing involving bool operation.